Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The OM system OM-3 has officially arrived, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting cameras in recent years. With a lightweight yet rugged design, cutting-edge imaging technology, and impressive durability, this camera makes waves in photography. But the big question is, can it rival Fujifilm's beloved lineup, especially models like the X106? Let's dive deep into this feature-packed camera and see if it stands as a true competitor to Fujifilm's offerings. A stylish, compact, and weather-resistant powerhouse. The OM-3 is an exceptionally stylish and compact mirrorless camera that brings a modern twist to a retro-inspired design. It draws inspiration from classic Olympus cameras like the legendary Olympus Pen F, yet integrates the latest advancements in imaging technology. One of the standout features of the OM-3 is its impressive durability. With an IP53 weather sealing rating, this camera is resistant to dust, water, and harsh weather conditions. Whether you're shooting in humid tropical climates, sandy deserts, or cold environments, the OM-3 can handle it all. This level of resilience makes it a strong contender against rugged cameras from Fujifilm, Nikon, and Canon. Ultra-lightweight build for portability. Weighing just 413 grams, the OM-3 is among the lightest mirrorless cameras on the market. Pair it with the compact 20mm f/1.4 Pro lens, and the entire setup remains under 700 grams, making it perfect for travel, street photography, and daily carry. Unlike many competing models that compromise on build quality for a lightweight body, the OM-3 manages to balance durability with portability. Battery life that outperforms Fujifilm's X series. One of the key advantages of the OM-3 over Fujifilm's X106 and Nikon ZF is its impressive battery life. The camera features the same BLX1 battery found in the OM system OM-1 Mark I, delivering excellent efficiency. During a real-world test in Morocco, I captured approximately 250 single-frame images, consuming just 25% of the battery. This means you can expect around 1,000 shots per charge, a significant advantage over Fujifilm's compact cameras, which typically struggle to surpass 400 shots on a single charge. For photographers who rely on burst mode, the OM-3 delivers in spades. Shooting at 120 frames per second or 50 frames per second, users can capture thousands of images in quick succession without worrying about battery drain. This is a game-changer for action, wildlife, and sports photographers. Innovative film simulation and color profiles. A defining feature of Fujifilm cameras is their film simulation modes, which allow photographers to mimic classic film stocks like Velvia, Provia, and Acros. OM system takes a similar approach to the OM-3, integrating a color profile dial that offers 4 unique color modes and 4 black and white modes. Additionally, you can manually tweak saturation, contrast, sharpness, and vignette, giving you extensive creative control over JPEG output. If you're a fan of shooting straight out of camera JPEGs, this camera offers a fantastic alternative to Fujifilm's film simulations. With adjustable monochrome profiles, you can customize your black and white photography without needing post-processing software like Lightroom or Photoshop. Cutting-edge in-body stabilization. The OM-3 features one of the best in-body image stabilization systems in the industry, offering up to 7.5 stops of stabilization when paired with compatible lenses. This allows photographers to capture sharp handheld images even at slow shutter speeds, making it ideal for low-light shooting. Compared to Fujifilm's X106, which relies solely on lens-based stabilization, the OM-3 provides an advantage for those shooting handheld in challenging conditions. Whether you're capturing cityscapes at night, landscapes, or street photography, the IBIS ensures crisp images without a tripod. Built-in ND filters and high-resolution shooting. A standout feature of the OM-3 is its electronic ND filter, which simulates the effect of physical neutral density filters. This is incredibly useful for long-exposure photography, landscape shots, and videography. Instead of carrying a collection of ND filters for different lenses, you can activate the built-in ND filter and easily achieve smooth motion blur effects. Additionally, the OM-3 supports high-resolution mode, producing 80MP images using sensor shifting technology. This is perfect for professional landscape photographers who need ultra-detailed shots without investing in a medium-format camera. Autofocus and AI-powered subject tracking. The OM-3 utilizes AI-driven autofocus with subject tracking capabilities, making it a strong competitor to Fujifilm's X series and even some full-frame cameras. In real-world testing, the OM-3 successfully tracked surfers in Morocco, recognizing human subjects even when they were wearing wetsuits and facing away from the camera. However, like many mirrorless cameras, subject tracking becomes less effective at extreme distances. For photographers who frequently shoot wildlife or sports from far away, a telephoto lens with strong optical stabilization will be necessary. Video features for content creators. For videographers, the OM-3 offers 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second and slow-motion recording in full HD. The camera's S&Q mode allows users to switch between standard and slow-motion shooting seamlessly. While Fujifilm's X106 excels in film-like color science, the OM-3 holds its ground with cinematic stabilization and precise autofocus tracking, making it a versatile choice for hybrid shooters. Connectivity and storage options. The OM-3 features USB-C charging, micro HDMI, and dual 3.5mm ports for external microphones and headphones, making it ideal for vloggers and filmmakers. However, one downside is that the OM-3 only includes a single SD card slot, unlike some Fujifilm and Sony models that offer dual slots for redundancy. If you frequently shoot high-volume content, investing in high-speed SD cards is recommended. Final thoughts. Is the OM-3 the biggest rival to Fujifilm? The OM system OM-3 presents a compelling case as a strong alternative to Fujifilm's premium cameras. It excels in portability, battery life, image stabilization, and durability, making it a great choice for travel photographers, street shooters, and professionals who need a reliable, compact camera. While Fujifilm still leads in film simulation and classic styling, the OM-3 offers a modern feature-packed alternative that rivals or even surpasses the X106 in several key areas. If you prioritize weather resistance, battery life, built-in ND filters, and in-body stabilization, the OM-3 is an excellent investment. For those looking for a high-performance mirrorless camera that balances style, functionality, and durability, the OM-3 is a fantastic choice. Whether you're upgrading from an older Olympus model or considering a switch from Fujifilm, this camera is worth serious consideration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more in-depth camera reviews and comparisons. See you in the next video.